Well, gentlemen, that's what happens when you don't treat your plumbing right. She'll do terrible things to you. We can't use duct tape to fix things like this. No, sir. That is not gonna work. Got some old galvanized up here. Got some Schedule 80 mixture. Huh. Nice big old holes. Old polybutylene pipe. Wow. We're gonna get this right, but that's a whole lot of damage. That's a whole lot of damage. What y'all think? Is that a lot of damage in here, bud? No comments? Everyone likes to just work? I see how it is.
Yeah.
I'm just messing with you. Yep, that pipe is ready to go all the way. What do you think, David? Yeah, yeah. Wow. Ooh, this ain't gonna be the end. We need a few more things done, but this is all we're doing today. This one pipe all the way.